Today, we're gonna make some authentic Jamaican style pepper shrimp. Check it out. First, we're gonna devein the shrimp, take out that poop shoot, just like so. Now we're gonna use one large lime to wash the shrimp. I'm using one large scotch bonnet pepper to season the shrimp. Now I'm gonna add some Maggi chicken seasoning to the shrimp. This gives the shrimp a lot of flavor. Now I'm gonna add a quarter cup of oil to my pot, followed by the shrimp and some allspice berry scotch bonnet to stir. And now I'm gonna add the seasoned water to the shrimp, just like so. Give a stir, cook 3 to 4 minutes, and my shrimp is done. And there you have it, authentic Jamaican style pepper shrimp. Look good, don't? Please like, share, subscribe for more. One love. Bless.